Alright, if we look here, we can see that same input-output machine that we figured out in the last video. You can see the operations are written inside that input-output machine. We've got a ×4 and we've got a -3. And we already proved that those are the correct numbers and operations because we checked input 1 and we checked input 2, we checked input 3. So looking at the pattern, we know that 4 is correct. But what you can also do is predict. You can figure out what's going to be input 5. Well, input 5 is input 5 because they're increasing by 1. You should be able to predict the output. If you have an input of 5, what will the output be? You should be able to predict that, right? We're just going up by 4. So if you take a look, you can predict and you can write that down. And you can do the prediction for 6, and you can do the prediction for 7. You can do the prediction for 8. So basically, what we've done is a little bit of algebra. Alright, this is basic beginning of algebra, how to figure out patterns and things like that. It's actually not algebra, it's kind of the beginnings of algebra, which is the higher level math. Alright, so if we take a look here, right here, if I have an input of 8, I multiply it by 4, then I subtract 3, I'm going to get an output of 29. Right? 8 times 4 is 32, and 32 minus 3 is 29. Okay? So really, using our input-output machine, we're just building a simple mathematical equation. Okay? That's what we're doing, and that's what we're going to be doing much more of later on.